guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm bringing to you a Scarecrow meets glam meets sunflower type of look. This was very fun to do. I've never done a look like this before, and the finished result is uncanny. I love it. And this whole look got inspired by Indira. I'm not even gonna pronounce her last name because I'm gonna butcher it, but this is her, and well, this is her, and she's super talented. I really recommend you guys like going and giving her a follow. She does all these crazy Halloween looks. I just recently found her on Instagram and I fell in love with this look, so full inspiration comes from her. I'll leave her Instagram handle linked down below so you guys can definitely go check her out. But yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you guys want to see how I recreated this look, then just please keep on watching. Starting off with this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Makeup by Mario palette by Anastasia. If you guys don't have this palette, then you can use your Jaclyn Hill palette. I preferably wanted to use this one because I use my Jaclyn Hill palette way too much and I wanted to give my other palette some love, so that's what I'm doing. For the transition shade, we're going to be using this shade, Isabel. To get more pigment out of your shades, I recommend just basically just packing the shade on there and then slowly start buffing it. Start buffing it in so it won't look so harsh. So we're going to be using this shade Violetta. I'm going to be going into my Tartelette and Bloom eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be grabbing, sorry, I don't want to I'm going to be grabbing this shade Activist right here. I cut my crease and I added Fifth Avenue from the Anastasia palette. I don't know, I added it just so that the glitter had more of a pop to it, more of a gold pop to it, and I really like it. So honestly, like you could even like leave it with just a simple shimmer shade, or if you want to be extra like me, you can add some glitter. I'm using the Too Faced glitter glue. Ahead and put in my eyeliner before I applied the glitter on, just because I hate chunky glitter. I hate the texture of it whenever you have the glitter and then you pack on the eyeliner over top. It's just, I don't know, it's just, I just can't do it. I just can't do that. I'm probably gonna do the rest of my face makeup and add some lashes, and then I'll be right back so that we can work on the sunflower, because I really wanted the sunflower and the eye makeup to be the purpose of this video. I didn't want my face makeup routine to take over because you guys, like, I have videos of what makeup I use and literally I just use the same products every single time. Nothing changes. I'm just that type of girl. So anyways, I'll be right back and we'll start on the sunflower. I went ahead and applied eyelashes. I did my face makeup off camera. If you're ever interested in seeing what products I use, etc., then go check out my other videos, my other makeup tutorials. I literally use the exact same products as I did. Half of my face, like this side, that I'm not going to apply anything else on it, I went ahead and applied translucent powder to set my makeup and my concealer, and I went ahead and applied the same eyeshadows as I did on top on the bottom of my eyelid. And on this side, I didn't set my face, drawing the sunflower, so I really wanted those colors to pop, so I'm not gonna set my face on this side. Anyways, so for the base of the sunflower, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild paint pot. going to be using the makeup Take Me Back to Brazil makeup palette by BH Cosmetics. This is the first time that I use this. This is the first time that I use this, and I know I'm late in the bandwagon. Sorry, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna be using these. I'm gonna be using these two shades right here. Alright, so we are getting there. All I did was did some quick petals. I went ahead and added the yellow, and I also added a little bit of orange from the 35B palette. This orange shade right here. Leader from the Tarlet and Bloom palette, just so it can warm it up a little bit and so that it won't look too harsh. Like, outline all of the petals with this Stila liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna darken up the circle in the middle, which is all right here around my eyebrow, around, like, dragging it down here, using Activist from the Charlotte and Bloom palette in the same BH Cosmetics 122 brush. And I'm actually just going to buff this in here and also stamp it in here. And don't be afraid to go in with this dark shade. I know it's kind of scary. So I went ahead and drew on some leaves. And what I did was I just basically did the same thing as what I did with the petals. But I used the 35B palette and I used these two green shades mixed in with this one in the middle. I'm just basically gonna trace I'm just gonna trace the leaf on the outside. Actually, so I'm just going to trace this one more time because it kind of like got covered up. There's not really much to tracing it, so I'm trying to get in position so that you guys can see. Alright, so we are almost done. All we need is just lips. So I'm gonna be doing a combination with Kat Von D Outlaw, and in the middle I'm gonna put, well, in the center I'm gonna put shade Catherine by Anastasia. In the Stila eyeliner I'm gonna draw the Scarecrow stitches, I guess. I went ahead and set my face. I went ahead and drew on the stitches of this Scarecrow makeup look, and honestly I am so proud of how it turned out. It turned out even better than how I expected it. Alright guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video, for staying until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.